Hello everyone, this is Grace Gujran, business owner, ACES LLC and VG International in the UAE for the past 15 years. I have actually been associated with Dr. Naheed Khan for a couple of years. I resonate with what workshops Dr. Naheed Khan does. She's a very progressive person, also learning and upgrading herself from time to time, and she is so freely giving us this knowledge so that we will benefit from it. Her money and time workshop was an excellent learning for me. Though I have been in business for the past 15 years, there's so much learning that money is an energy, how we need to conserve it, how we need to use it. So it was a brilliant workshop, and I encourage everyone, even if you are in business or you're working or you're still in college, you must attend this workshop with Dr. Naheed Khan. She's a brilliant teacher, and she just holds your hand and takes you through even if you don't understand. So take care, have fun with Dr. Naheed Khan's next workshop. Bye.